Hello children, welcome back to online maths class at BMS School at home. Children, in the last class we learned checking the subtraction and how to frame the word problem using subtraction, isn't it? In today's class we are going to learn about the addition and subtraction together and estimation. Okay, in estimation, estimating the sum and estimating the difference. Okay, now let us see all the topic one by one with example.
Children, the first topic is addition and subtraction together. Okay, so what is that, children? Addition and subtraction together means, yes, first add and then subtract the numbers. Otherwise, first you have to subtract and then add the numbers. Okay, so let us see the first question, addition. Okay, 5498 plus 887 minus 5700. Okay, so children, here the first symbol is addition. Okay, so look at the first symbol, this is addition. So first you have to add these two numbers, then after that you have to subtract this number from the result. Okay, ma? So first write the place value box. Okay, so the place value box is ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Okay, then write the first number, that is 5498. Okay, then write the plus symbol, then write the next number 887. Okay, now add these two numbers. Okay, ma? So 8 plus 7 gives us, yes, 15. So you have to write 5 here and carry over 1 to the tens place. Okay, now you have to add the values in the tens place. Okay, the tens place values are 9 plus 1 plus 8. So the answer is 18. Okay, so write 8 to this tens place and you have to carry over 1 to this 100 place. Now you have to add the values in the 100 place, that is 1 plus 4 plus 8, which gives us 13. So again you have to write 3 to this 100 place and carry over 1 to this 1000 place. Okay, now add the values in the 1000 place, that is 5 plus 1, which gives us 6. So the answer is 6385. Okay, now children, you have to subtract the 5700 from 6385. Okay, the next step, this is step 1. Okay, this is step 1. First you have to do this addition, then next you have to do the subtraction. Okay, then step 2, 6385 minus 5700. Okay, this is step 2. First you have to add, because the first symbol is plus, so you have to add, then next you have to subtract. Okay, so these two numbers are 4-digit numbers. So first write the place value box, ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Okay, then next write the bigger number. Here the bigger number is 6385. Then next write the subtraction symbol. Then next write the smaller number, that is 5700. Okay, then next subtract these two numbers. First you have to subtract the values in the ones place. So 5 minus 0, which gives us 5. So write 5 to this ones place. Then next subtract the values in the tens place, that is 8 minus 0. The answer is 8. So write 8 to this tens place. Then next subtract the values in the 100 place. We can't able to subtract the number 7 from 3. So at this situation, what will you do, ma? Yes, you have to borrow 1 from here in the 1000 place. So here you can get 5 and here you can get 13. Okay. Now you have to subtract these two numbers. So 13 minus 7, 6. Okay. So write 6 to this 100 place, and 5 minus 5, 0. 0 has no value in the highest place. Okay. So the answer is 5498 plus 887 minus 5700, which gives us 685. Okay, children. Now children, let's do one more question related to subtraction. Okay. Solve 6666 minus 888 plus 1111. Okay, ma? So children, here first you have to do the subtraction, then next you have to do the addition. Okay. So look at this problem. Here the first symbol is plus. First we did the addition, isn't it? Then next we did the subtraction, isn't it, ma? But here the symbol is subtraction. So we have to do the subtraction first. Okay, for this problem. So step 1. Subtract these two numbers. Okay, subtract these two numbers. Here the greater number is 6666. This is 4-digit number. So the place value for this number, that is ones, tens, hundreds and 1000. Okay, ma? Then next write this bigger number 6666. Then subtract 888. Okay. Now you have to subtract the values in the ones place. Okay, you can't able to subtract the number 8 from 6. So what will you do? Yes, you have to borrow 1 from this tens place. So here you can get the number as 5 and here you can get 16. Okay, so 16 minus 8, 8. And here also you can't able to subtract the number 8 from 5. So at this situation, what will you do? Yes, you have to borrow 1 from this 100 place. So here you can get 5 and here you can get 15. Okay. Now you have to subtract these two numbers, 15 and 8. Yes, the answer is 7. So write 7 to this tens place. Then subtract the values in the 100 place. Here also you can't able to subtract the number 8 from 5. So you have to borrow 1 from this 1000 place. So here you can get the answer as 5 and here you can get 15. Okay. So 15 minus 8, the answer is 7. So write 7 to this 100 place. And the remaining number is 5. So write this 5. Okay, children. So 6666 minus 888, answer 5778. Okay. Then next step you have to do the addition. Okay. Step 2, you have to add 1111 to this 5778. Okay. Now write 5778 plus 1111. Okay. So these two are 4-digit number. So the 4-digit numbers have 4 values. They are ones, tens, hundreds and thousand. Okay. Now write the first number 5778 and the next number 1111. Next we are going to add these two numbers. Okay, ma? So 8 plus 1 which gives us 9. So write 9 to this ones place, and 7 plus 1 which gives us 8. So write 8 to this tens place, and again 7 plus 1 gives us 8. So write 8 to this 100 place, and at the last the 1000 place values are 5 plus 1 which gives us 6. So write 6 to this 1000 place. Okay. So now you can write the answer like this: 6666 minus 888 plus 1111, which gives us 6889. Okay, children. So children, for this addition and subtraction together, first you have to check the symbol. Okay, if the first symbol is addition, first step you have to do the addition. Okay, but if the first symbol is subtraction, the step 1 you have to do the subtraction, then next step you have to do the addition. Okay, children. Children, the next topic is estimation. Okay, so what is estimation, ma? Yes, estimation is making a guess about a value rather than finding the exact value. Okay, so estimation is making a guess about a particular value rather than finding the exact value. It only gives us an idea about the result of a calculation and is said to be approximate. Okay, that is approximation values. Okay, estimation means approximation. Okay, ma? So it only gives us an idea about the result of a calculation and is said to be approximate. Okay, so children, in day-to-day life we estimate a lot of things like the size of an object or bill amount or the size of the book or time. Okay, and time to complete a task, and distance, length, the number of people in an auditorium. Okay, and so on. Okay, so in our day-to-day life we estimate a lot of things like the size of an object or bill amount or the time to complete a particular task and time, and the next distance, the number of people in an auditorium, and length, and so on. Okay, ma? So in this estimation we are going to estimate sum and estimate the difference. Okay, ma? First we are going to see about how to estimate the sum of two numbers. Okay, ma? So first estimate the sum of 540 and 298. Okay, children. So estimation means approximation values. Okay, so in the ones place value you can make it a 0. Okay, so children, remember this: in the ones place value you can make it as 0. Okay, that means closed numbers. Okay, so this 298 is close to 300 or 290. The closest number, first you have to select the closest number. Okay, ma? You have to, in the ones place you have to make it a 0, but you remember this, you have to take the closest number for this number. Okay, the 298 is close to 300, not 290. Okay, 290 is far from this number, 300 is close to this number. Okay, ma? So to estimate the sum of 540 and 298 we will add 540. We will add answer, add 540 and 300 because the estimate, that means the approximate value for this 298 is 300. Okay, this 298 is close to 300. Okay, ma? So now add these two numbers and find out the value. Okay, so these two are 3-digit numbers. So the 3-digit numbers have ones, tens and hundreds values. First write 540, then next write 300. Then you have to add these two numbers. So 0 plus 0, 0 and 4 plus 0, 4. So you have to write 4 to this tens place and 5 plus 3 which gives us 8. So write 8 to this 100 place. So children, the estimated sum is 840. Okay, therefore the estimated sum is 840. Okay, like this children, now you have to estimate the sum of, second question, estimate the sum of 640 and 102. Okay, so here in the 640 the ones place value is already 0, so you have to don't make any changes this 640. Okay, but here ones place value is 2. Okay, so this 102 is close to 100. Okay, this 102 is close to 100, not 110. Okay, this 102 is close to 100. Okay, ma? So now write the answer, add 640 and the estimated value of 102 is 100. Okay, now you have to add these two numbers, 640 and 100. Okay, so 0 plus 0, 0, 4 plus 0, 4 and 6 plus 1, 7. So therefore the estimated sum is 740. Okay children, now children let us look at the estimating difference. Okay, estimating difference. Okay, this is estimating sum and now we are going to see the estimating difference. Okay, so the first one, estimate the difference between 350 and 248. Okay, so estimate the difference between 350 and 248. The 248 is close to, you have to make it the ones place value was 0. Okay, so the 248 is close to 250. Okay, so now write the answer, subtract 350 and 248. Okay, subtract the 248 from 350. Okay children, here the estimated sum is 250. Okay, 250. So first write the place value box, that is ones, tens and hundreds. Okay, so then next write the bigger number. Here the bigger number is 350 and smaller number is 250. Okay children, the next step you have to subtract these two numbers. Okay, so 0 minus 0, 0 and 5 minus 5, 5 and 3 minus 2, 1. Okay, so children, here the estimated difference is 100. Okay, so write the estimated difference is 100. Okay, same way you have to find out the estimate value for this number 509 minus 230. Okay, 509 minus 230. So how to find this one? Yes, here number, the ones place value is already 0. Okay, so we have to don't do any changes to this number. Okay, but this number here, the ones place value is 9, so we have to make it as 0. So we have to find the close number. Okay, close to 509. So this 509 is close to, yes, 510. Okay, not 500. This 509 is close to 510. Okay ma? So now subtract 510 and 230. Okay, so these two are 3-digit numbers. Now subtract these two values, 510 and 230. So 0 minus 0, 0. The next we can't able to subtract the number 3 from 1, so we have to borrow 1 from this 100 place. So here we can get the number as 4 and here we can get as 11. Okay, so 11 minus 3, 8, and 4 minus 2, 2. Okay, so the estimated difference of the number 509 and 230 is 280. Okay, so the estimated difference is 280. So children, in today's class we learned the addition and subtraction together, and also we learned the estimation, sum, and estimating the difference of two numbers. Okay children? Okay children, this is the end of today's class. Bye and happy learning.